Islamic Institute of Knowledge was founded in 1983 under the guidance of Samahat al-Marja al-Allama Abdul Latif Birri. Our mission is to address the needs, the spiritual needs, educational needs, and informational needs of our community, and specifically our Muslim community. As the community grows and the demographics change, the needs of the community also change. Taking that into account, we here at the Institute have also stepped up our efforts and expanded our services so we can meet those challenges and able to serve the community and their needs. The influx of immigrants into our community also has put a lot of pressure on our Institute. And taking that into consideration, we've implemented a few programs to help the community and address their needs. There isn't a day that goes by that we're not bombarded with phone calls seeking assistance, whether they're financial, moral, social, even medical assistance. And my vision and our vision here at the Institute is to be able to help every individual that seeks our assistance and not turn anyone away, not knowing how to help them, or if we can maybe direct them to get the resources that he or she needs to get that help.
لابد أن نؤكد على البعد الاجتماعي في العمل الثقافي الإسلامي في أمريكا. وحين نذكر البعد الاجتماعي في العمل الثقافي الإسلامي في أمريكا، لابد أن نتحدث عن أولويات العمل الإسلامي الاجتماعي في أمريكا. ولكن حين نتحدث عن هذه الأولويات لابد أن نلتفت إلى أننا نتعاطى مع مجتمع متغير. عمل المجمع الإسلامي الثقافي عملاً دؤوباً على تقوية شبكة العلاقات الاجتماعية ما بين الجالية، لأن جاليتنا الإسلامية تتوزع على عدة بلاد، على عدة مثلاً مواطنين جاءوا من بلاد مختلفة. فعمل المجمع الإسلامي الثقافي على توطيد العلاقات والأسر بين هذه الجماعات المختلفة على أساس المبدأ إنما المؤمنون إخوة.
Lately, in the last several months, we've implemented a free food program for children under the age of 18.
Meals were serviced free of charge. It was launched at the Islamic Institute of Knowledge. We serviced multiple locations at the time. This program is a state-funded program, so no child is left behind without meals. The core value of this initiative, the children depend on their meals in the schools. So once school is out, some of these children do not have access to these meals, so they stay without the breakfast and the lunch, the necessary meals for the day to keep them going. Those two meals were provided by the Islamic Institute of Knowledge. The food was cooked on site, all from fresh ingredients, and staff were well-trained, management was well-trained, and everybody received their meal, and everybody joined on activities, fun activities, as well in the Institute.
Wanted to help empower our women into the corporate world or into the labor force, and we have a child development associate credential classes that we hold here periodically, so we can get these women the education that they need so they can attain those high-paying jobs.
The Islamic Institute of Knowledge started the CDA program, the Child Development Associate Credential Program, in response to the need of employment and training services for women with needing skills to work in the early childhood field. Many women were looking for job opportunities in some of the child care centers as they were comfortable in raising children, and that's the field that they know best. A lot of programs in the early childhood field are requiring the CDA credentialing. The CDA credentialing process is a rigorous program, but it can be done. We're proud to say that we've worked hand in hand with these women in getting them through the process. It's 120 clock hours of early childhood training, which is all done here at the Islamic Institute of Knowledge, in addition to 480 work experience hours. We are proud to have been making a difference in the lives of some of these women, whether they've been here for a year, year and a half, 5 years, or some that was fearful to take the test for 10 years. It's rewarding to see that some of them have come back and have been in the final step or have obtained their CDA and now feel confident that they can perform their job and be able to support the center that they work in.
C-ASIST is the outreach arm at the Islamic Institute of Knowledge. It was founded in January of 2016 to extend our services and our resources to the community members. We launched multiple programs. To start off with, we launched a health fair. The health fair was on April 19th, and we managed to service over 200 uninsured patients at that time.
Caring for your mind is as important as caring for your body. To live a productive and positive life, you have to have a positive mind. Mental illness and drug addiction, they are sicknesses. They have to be treated the same way you would treat any other sickness, like diabetes, like high blood pressure, like cholesterol, heart disease. Many people in our community suffer from mental illness and drug addiction in silence. They're ashamed to come out and talk and treat it. Bridging the Gap, Ending the Stigma is a campaign that we launched at the Islamic Institute of Knowledge to tackle this stigma surrounding these illnesses. People should not be ashamed to talk about this. We are targeting everyone. We're targeting the public, we're targeting the health providers, we're targeting the students, we're targeting the females and the males, everyone. We need to bring this up in the open. We need to deal with it. We need to treat it. In this initiative, we're not just bringing awareness, but we're also trying to provide resources and help for those who need it the most.
The community has been plagued with this issue, and we here at the Institute are trying to bring the resources to help, whether it's the parents, whether it's the physicians, whether it's the imams, to help educate them how to deal with this issue and how to bring it out to the forefront so it's not a stigma upon our community and we lack the resources to help our youth.
We all know someone who suffers from mental health and substance abuse. As a Muslim, as an Arab, growing up in Dearborn, we all have had a friend, a family member, a colleague, a teacher who has suffered from this type of addiction. I am here to tell you that I am a resource through C-ASIST to extend an olive branch to help you amongst everyone in our community. We have wonderful shuyukh and imams, especially through the Islamic Institute of Knowledge, who are here to help. I work for Foundation Recovery Network, which is an organization that helps those in need of substance abuse and mental health treatment. I want to be a resource for you to help your son, your brother, your mother, your friend, anyone in need of residential or outpatient treatment. This continues to be a stigma and a taboo subject amongst people in our community. If there's one thing I hope for everyone to learn from this message, it is not to be afraid to speak up and speak out to your leaders, to members of C-ASIST.
What we're trying to do here is to engage the youth in our community. We want them to come back to the masjid, to come back to our Islamic centers, Islamic institutes.
إن المحافظة على الهوية الإسلامية لأبنائنا وبناتنا في هذه البلاد هو من أولويات العمل الثقافي الإسلامي للمجمع الثقافي الإسلامي. ومن أجل ذلك قام المجمع الإسلامي بإنشاء عدة مدارس وعدة مشاريع تربوية للقيام بهذه المهمة، ومن ضمنها المدرسة الإسلامية ومدرسة السبت ومدرسة الأحد، وأيضا مدرسة بعد الظهر التي تقوم باحتضان أعداد كبيرة من طلاب جاليتنا. وفي الواقع فإن العدد الذي يتخرج في كل سنة من هذه المدارس يفوق 1000 طالب سنوياً.
We would like to start up a youth program. We're trying to revive the traffic into the masjid by engaging the youth. And we would like for anyone who is interested, who has the energy, who would like to do good deeds for himself and his community, to reach out to us, to ask. We're looking for our youngsters who are our future to help make this community great.